Hello everyone, this is Lynette with the Skin Candy, and Alex is with me today.
Hi.
And we are going to be making a remake of our lemon poppy seed soap. So to our oils, we have already added our kale and clay, our colloidal oats, I can't say that word, and the goat's milk powder. Right now, we don't have any fresh goat's milk powder left, or fresh goat's milk, because goats aren't freshening right now. So
Goats aren't freshening?
freshening means when they get their milk.
Oh, I didn't know that.
See, it's learning hour with Lynette. Learning with Lynette.
Did you have a stroke saying that?
Probably. What are you saying?
You literally had a stroke. You're like, learning with
Learning. That's because I have, yes. Okay, so we've already added our powders, our additives. The color that we're going to be using is Bright Yellow Raincoat. Whoops, sorry. Bright Yellow Raincoat. And then we're going to be using titanium dioxide. And then what we're going to be doing to this is we're actually going to be adding, did you add water to this?
No, it was already like that.
Wow, pretty loose. So we're going to be adding all the colorant and our poppy seeds to our main mixture. And then we're going to pour it into our mold, and then we're going to add a little bit of titanium dioxide and then lighten it as we go, and then we'll do a hanger swirl. I think. We'll just do a chopstick swirl, chopstick swirl, chopstick swirl.
Chopsticks.
Did you just have a stroke?
No. I did chopsticks.
Oh, and then to the oil mixture, we're going to be, is it called chopsticks?
Yeah.
We're going to be adding lemongrass essential oil. Wow, we're really ADHD today. This is what happens when my daughter comes over. We get a little goofy. So, did we go through everything? Oh, poppy seeds. We're going to be adding that, a couple teaspoons. And that's it. So, without further ado, let's get soaping.